for you guys? How is this looking for you? Is it confusing? Because of if it's confusing, the advice I gave you will always win, which is always use the most recent structure and delete the previous ones. You understand? It's looking okay. Oh, so if the beginners are not confused, then it's fine. And you'll see that now we have a structure like this. Now, when we have something like, remember now, remember guys, now we're gonna go a little, but it's fine. Guys, remember in trading, what is the purpose of technical analysis? Technical analysis is you are confused. Okay, can you give me just 2 minutes? Technical analysis, what is the purpose of it? Technical analysis, the purpose of it is to be able to use previous price information to speculate future price information. You understand? So, for example, if you have something like this on Euro USD, whereby you had a high and a high, and you clone it to the previous low. When the market gets to that zone with the second time around, you know that over there, although your trend will be downward, but you don't want to be selling over here. To look for sales exactly here is not a good idea. What's happening now?
Hi traders and aspiring traders, I'm sorry to disturb your viewing pleasure of this video, but this couldn't wait. I've got good news for you who have been looking for a transparent and a reliable broker. I want to recommend this new broker that I've recently been using. It's called FX Pro. I had the best experience with it since I've started using. Amongst the advantages of trading with FX Pro broker, I would like to note zero spread whenever you place a trade on your Forex account, deposit from as little as 200 rands. A ZAR-based trading account. Get this, FX Pro will double your deposit, meaning 100% of your deposited amount will be credited to the trading account. However, maximum credit amount will be $1,000. But I want to warn you that this credit is there to give you leverage in the market and you cannot withdraw it. Meaning what you can withdraw, it is the money that you deposited or your profits from the market, not the credit. And now, just for you, now they are organizing giveaway of valuable prizes such as Samsung Galaxy S8 Ultra, iPhone 14 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S23, iPad the 10th generation, iPhone 14 256 gig. All you need to do to participate in this giveaway is to register via my link down below the description box. Secondly, make a deposit and start trading. On September 22nd, the FX Pro Instagram account will run a giveaway among the participants. Make sure you stand a chance of winning by clicking the link below to register and to deposit and start trading right now. Trade like a pro with FX Pro.
Oh, okay. To look for a sell exactly here is not necessarily a good idea. You understand? But you, because you are a beginner, you don't want to just go in on a zone like this because of now you're going to find yourself in trouble. Understand? You're going to find yourself in a little bit of trouble. But all in all, what I'm essentially saying is that you want to try, remember guys, this is actually something that I once spoke about where I said trend lines actually, people have an issue with trend lines simply because of most people use trend lines. They don't use them as a leading indicator. They usually use them as a lagging indicator. You understand? How do you use trend lines as a leading indicator? Let me explain for you. So for example, I just want to show you an example with actually something that happened here on Euro USD. I just want to show you. So can you see how Euro USD, it gave a low, and then after we cloned these two lows to the upside, can you see when it get here, can you see what started to happen? Why? Because of we have people, and by the way, trend lines, Fibonacci tools, zones, whatever, those are actually indicators. You understand? Those are actually indicators. It's just that people, they don't really associate or acquaint themselves with the correct knowledge of trading. So because they don't do that, they don't even understand. People, they just draw a trend line. They don't know why. You are supposed to try and use these things as a leading indicator. So can you see how looking at this as a leading indicator, when it got here, already you can start to speculate that should there be a pullback going opposite, you can actually look for a trade. So similarly over here, what do we have on Euro USD? Here on Euro USD, we have a swing high, we have a swing high, we have a swing low. We cloned the two to give us this channel. So if the market is here and it starts to press up, it's already giving you an idea that maybe this level will hold. Does that make sense? And also beginners, by the way, if you are a beginner, what I will advise you is avoid trading horizontal levels. If you are a beginner, avoid trading horizontal levels because of you will mark a zone here, you will buy here, and this will happen every single time. Every single time something like that will happen. So if you are a beginner, avoid trading horizontal levels, trade diagonal levels. They will be more reliable for you. And then let's go to H1 and just wrap Euro USD up. And on Euro USD H1, and you can even see here on H1, I mean, really, this analysis is, if you are a beginner and you can at least have something like this on your chart, damn, you don't even need to now get stressed about what. You just need to be patient. Patience is the game. Patience is the game. Now, can you see as a beginner, your H1 analysis, it even looks like this now. And can you see why I say try to avoid horizontal levels, try to trade diagonals? Can you see that if you trusted this was a breakout to the downside and you waited for this diagonal, which is this trend line here, you can actually take trades here. You sent a DM. Oh, I'll check. Oh, that's why you are saying I'm not responding. Oh, sorry, I'll check it, my king. Sorry. But yeah. Hey guys, if you send me a DM, please don't say hi. Like, hi. We'll get to the point. Imagine like I have 40 DMs. Now, I cannot reply to like 40 people saying hi, Bafetu. Like sometimes, come on. I understand. But yeah, so now your H1 starts to look like this. Can you see? So now you as a beginner, because of you had something like this, along the way here, what you should be simply trying to do is you should be trying to take your Euro USD to your next level. And now it's at your next level. So from around here until here, you should have got something. You should have got something. Oh, Morati, I've sent a detailed message. Okay, no problem, my king. I do check my DMs. It's just that when someone says hi or something, I'm just shocked. Hey, man, what's happening? Guys, the love of my life is here. Sandosently Zioyam. Hey, Junior, don't say Hebanna. She'll block you. She's a moderator, Pela. If you step on her cons, she'll block you, and me, I won't say anything. You understand? When she blocks you, me, I won't say anything. Pela, she gives me other things that you see, like, so I've mentored how many guys? It's Z, Prakamo, and Luyan. I've mentored 3 guys so far. But the thing is, remember, I'm saying this is a beginner mentorship. I don't trade like this. You'll actually, let me show you one of my guys fast. We don't trade. What I'm showing here on TikTok is strictly for beginners. I just want to show you for the guys here. For the guys, my guys, this is one of my mentees. I'll also show, it's 3 of them. It's Brake, it's Luyanda, and it's Z. Can you see? This was one of my mentees' most recent withdrawals. He withdrew 24K. This account, we started it on 800 or 500. I'm not sure exactly which one, but between 500 and 800, this is where it started. And then also there's Luyanda. We took 200 to 11 Tau. And it's just, but like how we trade, like with my guys, and this is strictly for beginners, people who say, hey, I at least want to know how to read a chart. This is for them. But when I say I'm gonna mentor you now, it's actually why I avoid mentorship. It's very draining. That's why you find that I've only mentored 3 people. You understand? But I have mentored people. So yeah, like you can say yes, but at the same time, I would say no, because of, like, there's other guys who have asked me to mentor them, but I said no. Simply because of I just enjoy my free time and I want to always trade. Mentorship. But yeah, anyway, so now we have something like this on Euro USD, and we now see Euro USD has finally gotten to our level. So we know that over here we don't necessarily want to continue looking for sales anymore. We're supposed to at least to look for sales around here. So what can I do for you to mentor me? Like, why don't you give a package? No, it's not about like a package or anything. When I mentor someone, I don't mentor them and then I just say you draw a line in. No, like I trade with you, and like it's a forever. You'll even see over here, like we actually have a group with them, the guys. Yeah, where's this group? Hey, I can't find the